morning, everyone. And it is indeed a good morning. We have just come out of a wonderful month end of May. And congratulations to all of you for the wonderful activities that you are doing in the field, despite all the challenges and constraints that are there. Today's call is very, very important. And we thought that we will start this month of June early. And that's the reason we have arranged the call so early in the morning and on the first day of June. So without wasting any further time, we already have a lot of participants waiting for the last 5 minutes. I will hand over the conference to Mr. Shishir Jha, our General Manager for 4Life India. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Shobh. It's really wonderful to see all of you early in the morning. June month, so बहुत जगह monsoon start हो गया है, and other places people are waiting for rain. So I think Mumbai also it should rain today because we have had some amount of sun last week, and June is going to be great. I know that. And before I talk about today, I wanted to touch upon what happened in May with us. All of us know that March was the month where we could almost do 100% of our volumes because we got impacted in last few days. April was a complete shutdown. जहाँ पर हम लोगों को भी बहुत दिक्कत हुई because things were new for us. You guys faced a lot of challenges because everything was closed. And then we started opening up things in May. But I thought May logistically was one of the worst months that we have ever had because people were all locked up. You could not go out and do your meetings. Home deliveries were impacted big time. But when we ended May last evening, we were more than 25% up from April. So I think that's a great news for all of us. We have touched more than 80% of what we have done in March. As I said, March was a normal month almost. And now when we touch 80%, it gave me a lot of confidence that number one, the business is back. Number two, people have started earning again from our business. And that is very, very important. So while a lot of businesses are struggling, I was reading a report I was looking at a report in television, and they said e-commerce is at 30% in May. So while there are a lot of organizations, a lot of industries suffering, we have been able to come out and we have already touched more than 80% of what we did in March. And I think that was great. So I'm getting a request to talk in Hindi as well. So Lakshya, I'll keep switching between English and Hindi because so it's tough for me to do English first and then Hindi. But मैं switch over करता रहूँगा Lakshya. And as I said, May I am very, very positive. And I think the सबसे बड़ा positive था, the biggest positive which I could see was doubling of the new people joining our business. May में April से हम 100% ज़्यादा grow किए हैं when it comes to new people coming in our business. And I thought that was wonderful because that means हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं and सब लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि immunity बढ़े country में के लोगों का. And when people join us, when people show their inclination to do this business, I think उनका focus सही जगह पे है. They are thinking right. And this is what will drive our growth in future. So 100% jump in recruitment in the month of May is great. Growth in sales of more than 25% is great. Trying to touch March volumes within 1 month of gap is absolutely great. But there is one thing which I wanted to share, and I wanted to congratulate Jemima for qualifying her ID this month. So this is no news because she is an ID and she keeps qualifying as an ID, which is not an issue at all. But what was great, what I noticed great was she qualified as an ID 4 days before the month could end. Normally जब हम लोग qualify करते हैं तो हम wait करते हैं कि आखिरी दिन वो कौन से आखिरी 10, 15, 100, 1000 LP डालेंगे और qualify करेंगे. लेकिन उन्होंने 4 दिन पहले अपना qualification complete किया. That was great. And what it did was when she finished the month, she has done her maximum LPs that she has done in last 3 years. And I think this is what happens जब हम business को naturally flow करने देते हैं. when the business runs naturally. Because she had orders, she put in orders, she qualified, and then she worked for more LPs. And congratulations, Jemima, you are an inspiration. So you gave us a lot of pointers this month, and I hope this is just the beginning of how we grow the business this year. And it was wonderful to have Jemima there. And of course, Chennai, a lot of people showed a lot of resilience. People are coming back very fast. Hyderabad is awesome. So those are the places where I thought people were running against the wind. Because एक ऐसा मौका जब सारा देश बंद है, वहां पर देश के साथ फ्लो करना बहुत आसान है कि इतनी सारी दिक्कत है तो हमें भी दिक्कत है. But this business is about running against the wind at times and ensuring that the wind finally favors you. So congratulations to all the people who have grown their volumes against last month. And more importantly, there are quite a few people who have done more than March. And this is really great. Now I'd like to come over to my presentation, which we have prepared for this meeting. So we are calling this as a very special meeting. I hope it is visible to you. We have named it Jumpstart 20.2. And the name Jumpstart has a very, it's very significant for me. Because what happens is, kabhi-kabhi hamara jab hum gaadi chalate hain, when we are running a car, the battery goes low. If we have not run it for a long time, or it gets stuck midway because it's an old battery. And then what do? We call somebody, he comes with an extra battery, he attaches the clips to our battery, charges it up, then our car is back on track. And then that battery is removed and we run our car naturally as we would do, probably more efficiently. So this month when I'm looking at like, all these initiatives that I'm going to talk about in the same fashion. We want to give some additional resources to you, additional benefits to you in first 2 months, so that जो आपका battery अगर पिछले 2 महीने में थोड़ा सा नीचे आया है, you attach this to your business, get back to your normal business, and then grow from there. Because while this is a big challenge, मुझे नहीं लगता कि इससे बड़ा opportunity हमारे पास कभी भी इस business में आया था. I was having a Zoom call. I have a lot of Zoom calls these days. And I was talking about from unawareness to abundance, right? कोरोना से पहले जब हम बिजनेस करते थे तो हमें लोगों को बहुत अवेयर करना पड़ता था कि आपके लिए इम्यूनिटी जरूरी है, बीमार पड़ने पे आप वेट मत करिए, आप इतनी सारी चीजें बोलते थे. But now everybody knows immunity is important. And I think that is the first thing that everybody will go for. So कोई भी आदमी अब बीमार पड़ने का वेट नहीं करेगा, वो इम्यूनिटी में जाएगा. और जब हम इस सिचुएशन में हैं, तो who better than us can talk immunity? Who better than us to provide a great product? With the kind of business plan we have, who better than us to work in direct selling company? So I present to you these things with all those ideas in my mind, with all those thought in my mind, and I know that this business is going to multiply from here. Because मैंने मई में देखा है, जैसे ही थोड़ा सा स्कोप मिला, आप लोगों ने अपने बिजनेस को आगे बढ़ाया, which means आप लोगों ने इस बिजनेस से पहले से ज्यादा अर्न किया. आप में से कुछ लोगों ने कोशिश की और शायद नहीं कर पाए, but don't worry on that. This is one business. The day starts when we start. The day starts when I start talking about growth. The day starts when I step out and do my business more strongly than I was doing before. So I have a lot of hopes, but I also know that I'll have to do something in first 2-3 months so that you get recharged to move forward. And that is how I start my presentation for today. We have been hearing about life and livelihood. हमने प्राइम मिनिस्टर को सुना जब उन्होंने जान है तो जहान है पहले बोला, लेकिन आज वो भी बोल रहे हैं जान भी और जहान भी. So it is about life and livelihood. We do not have a choice. I think in April and May, we prioritize life to livelihood. And that is why we are probably one of the best countries in the way we have handled this situation. You look at America, you look at other countries, but the way India has handled is, I think the priorities were very clear, that it has to be first the life and then everything comes. So पहले जान आएगा और उसके बाद कुछ भी आएगा. And now is the time when the economy needs to come back. Now is the time when earnings need to start again. Now is the time when business needs to be rebooted. So there is a lot of focus on livelihood. I'm glad that when I'm presenting this to you today, so आज से country में भी unlock one phase शुरू हुआ है. So the whole nation is talking about, do we need to unlock our economy? And now it will be a fine balance between life and livelihood. So I think it is probably the best time for us to go out and do our business. And that is the theme of today's presentation, that how do we manage lives of people who are getting to earn livelihood. हर आदमी को इनकम करना है, बट उनको अपना लाइफ को सिक्योर करना है, और जब लाइफ को सिक्योर करना है तो इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाना है, और जब इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाना है तो who better than for life. So that is the thought with which we are planning this event. So when I talk about increasing our focus, growing our sales, growing our business, so what are the few things that we have to do? So जब we looked at our company, that internally, what are the things where we need to focus? हमें company के अंदर क्या करने की जरूरत है? And then these 2-3 things came to us. So what are the building blocks? What will build our business for the future? First, we know that our infrastructure has to be stronger as a company. हमारा infrastructure आज भी अच्छा है, लेकिन हमें इसको एक next level पे ले जाना पड़ेगा, एक नए तरीके से ले जाना पड़ेगा, because the way people are doing business now and the way they will do in future has completely changed. So what is it that we can do? Second thing which came to our mind was, we have to do something to increase our reach and visibility. कैसे हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को बताएं इस कंपनी के बारे में, अपने प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में और इस बिजनेस के बारे में. The third thing which I'll cover today is the sales support. What is it that we are providing as a jump start tool? तो वो हम कौन सा काम कर रहे हैं जो आपको immediately अभी के बाद से, जैसे ये कॉल खत्म होगा, आप कैसे अपने बिजनेस को रीबूट कर सकते हैं और उसको नेक्स्ट लेवल पे ले जा सकते हैं. And of course, one thing which is very, very important for growth, not only in our business, not only in our lives, but हम सबके लिए important है to have that passion for growth. Because आज की situation में there are a lot of negative things happening. जब भी आप टेलीविजन खोलेंगे, हर तरफ समाचार जो हैं वो बड़े दूसरे तरह के हैं. जब हम लोगों से बात कर रहे हैं, लोग बहुत सारे नेगेटिव सेंटिमेंट्स की बात कर रहे हैं. But if we are the winners, we still talk of growth. Somebody had told me earlier that if you look for success, you will get success. If you look for problems, you will get problems. So आज जब मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूं, मैं अपनी तरफ से ये कमिट कर सकता हूं, अपनी टीम की तरफ से ये कमिट कर सकता हूं that yes, we are aware of problems and we are handling it, but वो हमारा 1% से ज्यादा नहीं ले रहा है. 99% we are looking at how we can take this business to next levels and how we can make all of you successful. So this is how we are looking at the business. Now I'll move over to infrastructure. What is it that we are doing? During this COVID time, what we saw was home delivery was probably one of the biggest challenge, right? And when we dug deeper into it, जब हम और अंदर गए, then we came to know that this happens at 2 levels. One, are we able to give our products to the courier company? When we give it to them, they take it out to the relevant city. So if the courier is for Jaipur, they will ensure that it reaches Jaipur. And then they have a hub in Jaipur, which takes it to your homes. So what we did, what we noticed in these times is, स्टेज 1 बहुत मुश्किल नहीं रहा जब हमें गवर्नमेंट का परमिशन मिल गया. So when the courier industry started, stage 1 was not that difficult. But where we faced problem was stage 2. Because of overload, because of the nature of addresses which were there, people were not able to get couriers on time. And even when it reached the city, it was taking 2 to 3 days for the courier person to deliver it to your homes. And this is something where we have always been thinking that, is it something that we can do? In some locations, people went out to that courier company and picked up their products, and that saved their time. Then we thought, can we make this an arrangement? Can we add this option to people कि आप या तो अपने घर में सामान मंगाएं, लेकिन अगर आप चाहते हैं तो आप वहां से जाके भी पिक कर सकते हैं. And that is the concept which we are trying to launch, and it's called a pickup point. So we'll be having some pickup points now, and I'll tell you a bit more about what is the pickup point. Number one, it is ease of delivery. Because at times when people come to deliver, our house is closed, there is nobody in the house, and they take the product back. At times they are not able to figure out where do I live. But in every city, there are business hubs where people normally go. हमें अपना सब्जी लेने, हमें अपना काम करने, उन सब हब्स में जाना ही पड़ता है. So अगर मेरे पास कुछ पिकअप सेंटर्स हों, जो पिकअप पॉइंट्स हों उन हब्स में, can I go and pick up the product from there? And if I am making that effort and I get an offer for pickup orders, for the places, orders like these, where you say, I will go and pick it up from the hub, there are no handling fee. So normally जो आप courier के लिए handling fee देते हैं, वो handling fee आपको नहीं देना पड़ेगा. तीसरा चीज जो important है, that this will be a volume based business. So हम 2-3-4 ऑर्डर का वेट करेंगे और तब उसको एक साथ शिप करेंगे ताकि वो प्रायोरिटी बेसिस पे उन पिकअप पॉइंट्स पे पहुंचे. And fourth thing which I think is very important from a company perspective is when we want to increase our business, we want to have a growth of our business, we have to improve our infrastructure. So your pickup point will be very good indicators for us that where is the business picking up. Because suppose I open a pickup point say in Kanpur, and the number of orders, the qualifications grow in Kanpur, then I will increase it, increase the level, and I'll open probably a warehouse in Kanpur. If the business keeps continuing, qualifications keep coming in, then I can open an office in Kanpur. So this is also a tool for us and for you to ensure that when the business grows, the infrastructure opens. So I think this is very important as a facility because you get ease of delivery. Most importantly, there will be no handling fee for these orders. And third, there is a clear-cut mechanism of assessing which city should have what kind of infrastructure. And then the ball is in your court. अगर आप कहीं पे लगता है आपका business बढ़ रहा है, tell us and we'll give you more options. But I think this is a big initiative और हम सब एक साथ नहीं खोल सकते हैं. So we have picked up a location जहाँ पर ये सारी चीजें अभी हैं. So there is a location which has good business, new leaders are coming in, business is growing. So we are testing this for few days with Dimapur. So Dimapur will be our first pickup point. Now, if you look at the address, this is the main market of Dimapur. This is close to possibly everybody who lives in and around Dimapur. They can come and pick up the products. Dimapur के बारे में अगर मुझे कुछ बताना है तो currently they have to travel to Kohima, which is 7 hours away, to buy their products. So if we have this pickup point in Dimapur, I hope it is going to help them. We are trying to open it as soon as possible and latest by 15th of this month. So before 15th June, we will touch base with the local leaders of Dimapur and we'll open this service. So while this is a facility to you, I think you also have a big responsibility on your shoulders to make this successful. Because if this is successful, then we can go around and open more pickup centers, because this is a model which is very easy. It is replicable, so हम बहुत जल्दी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह खोल सकते हैं. But we'll view how we operate in Dimapur for some time, and then we start opening more of these pickup points. Apart from that, there are few more things that we'll be doing. One is having adequate manpower. And I tell you this because we tried it in Hyderabad. In February, we added one person in our team, Shabrinath. And February and March, I think it has been a great advantage to have him there on two fronts. Because you have somebody who speaks the local language. तो कोई है जो local language में बात करता है और distributors से, leaders से better connect बना सकता है. दूसरा, he has started doing a lot of Zoom meetings, those distance calls, which is helping the distributors a lot. But I think there is one advantage which is very, very important, and that is now it is giving us an opportunity to go beyond Hyderabad. Because जब हमारे पास वहाँ manpower नहीं था, तो हम लोग मुंबई से support करते थे और हैदराबाद के अलावा किसी शहर को support करना बहुत मुश्किल होता था. But now he can go to Anantapur, he can go to Vizag, he can go to Kadapa, and that's how he has planned. And he did some trainings, I think in Anantapur, which were very good. So we know that if we add people at the right point, it will benefit. So in next 2 months, we will be having one person for our eastern and northeastern zone. So this will be a person based out of Kolkata who will support the business of East India and Northeast India, because those are the two places where we see a huge potential of growth. So now we have somebody in South, we have somebody in East and Northeast. West, definitely we control, and Nagesh travels a lot to North. But we will not stop here. If this thing works, then we will have more people in the field. The second thing that we'll invest in is technology. Because last 2 months, अब किसी को बताने की भी जरूरत नहीं है कि ये किस तरह से वर्ल्ड चेंज हो रहा है, किस तरह से ये दुनिया बदल रही है, राइट? एंड टेक्नोलॉजी का कितना बड़ा हाथ है इस वर्ल्ड को बदलने में. नाउ वी हैव गॉट यूज्ड टू Zoom meetings. Nagesh does 2 to 3 Zoom meetings every day. I have done plenty of Zoom meetings. This is one meeting जहां हम all over India लोगों से एक साथ बात कर पा रहे हैं at the same time. So we know that technology has advantage. Some of the leaders have grabbed it. मतलब अभी तो वो अपना मीटिंग करना शुरू हो गए हैं, उनके लोग मीटिंग्स करना शुरू हो गए, and that is how we could grow in May, because people did not lose connectivity. Some leaders are still trying to learn it. I hope they do it fast, because this is the way the businesses will be run in future. Not only our business, every business will be run in future. So our focus will be there on technology, and we'll do everything to support you there. Next thing that we will invest our resources in is office upgrades. So the first project that we are doing is Kohima, because Kohima is growing. We are getting new leaders. The joinings are growing. We have the office at an excellent location. It is in probably the most populous location in Kohima, but we will still be upgrading that so that people can start having more meetings. They can bring more people to office, and we give a good ambience there. So our focus, while I talked about 1 location, 2 locations, but I wanted to share the kind of focus which we will have in future. The focus on giving the right training and field support, the focus on technology, and the focus on ensuring that we have good infrastructure wherever we open. But is that all, or we're doing something else? And this is something which is very important, because whatever I talked till now was more of back-end work which we have to do. ये सब काम वो थे जो हमें करना था और हम करेंगे, उससे शायद business improve होगा. But now I come to a section where one responsibility which we have as a team is to give you enough dough, to give you enough food, so that you can go out and build the business. the ad which you see here is of Renuvo. And we know that of late, everybody has been talking about Ayurveda. Everybody has been talking about Ashwagandha. But we have a product which has Ashwagandha plus the transfer factor. So we have the benefits of Ashwagandha and we have the amazing abilities of transfer factor. So then it becomes probably the best product to anyone who's thinking about taking Ashwagandha. So we are creating these small posters, these advertisements, these social media messages to ensure that we hit the target audience. We are visible to those people who are interested in having these kind of products. So we will be releasing this ad immediately after this. And I think मेरा आपसे request रहेगा कि आप इसको social media में जितना हो सकता है share करें. Ensure that all your distributors have this copy and they are sharing with the people. Because on one side, there is a huge demand. If we are not visible in the market, people will go to somebody else. But if we are visible and we are targeting the right customers, then people will definitely choose us. And we are seeing how some people are growing their business even in the middle of all these difficulties. So these advertisements will keep coming in. Next thing which I wanted to share was what you see here is a statement which says the Immune System Company, and there is a trademark registration on that. So now this is the new positioning which we have. We are going upfront and we are saying that yes, we are the Immune System Company and we know immunity the best. So what we will do is we will have this as our web banner. When it comes to me, I will have this on my Facebook page. My request to you that all of you, so last week we did a training on how to create a Facebook page. I hope you have created your Facebook page. My request is all of you should have this particular slide as your cover page for your Facebook. Because this very clearly says that we are the Immune System Company and it is talking about Transfer Plus. I hope this is something which will help our business. The next thing is we are talking about Jumpstart, and now some initiatives I'll talk about is for Jumpstart. So our product, our bonus product for the month of June is Transfer Factor Plus. ये दुनिया का 4Life का बेस्ट सेलिंग प्रोडक्ट है वर्ल्ड ओवर. And when this comes to you as the bonus product, I think you can see our focus on how we want to request you, how we want to support you to focus on this all important product. Everybody who can afford should be taking Transfer Factor Plus in these times. And that is why this is one Jumpstart initiative that you get a bonus product as 4Life Transfer Factor Plus. Now let's talk about some interesting things. So as a Jumpstart initiative, Double Builder bonus is coming back for June and July. So I know that this has been one of our most successful programs, and we are bringing it back for you June and July. So Shubh shared with me and he had that word is back. So builder bonus, double builder bonus is back. I asked him to remove it because now this comes in a different avatar. So while it is a double builder bonus, you get an opportunity to earn 4,500, 18,000 and 72,000 when you qualify for a new level or you move up to the next level. So अगर मुझे अभी तक builder bonus नहीं मिला है, I qualify for level 1, I will get it. So जून में मैंने level 1 किया, जुलाई में मैंने level 2 कर लिया, I'll still get it. Right? This time it is applicable for international diamonds and above. If they are reaching level 3 for the first time, they can participate in this program. So that's a change. But one thing to note is this builder bonus will be available only once in these 2 months when you achieve your level. So if I achieve level 1 in June and I achieve level 2 in July, I get double builder bonus for both the months. If I achieve level 1 in June and maintain level 1 in July, in June I'll get double builder bonus, but in July I will get normal builder bonus. So this is a program which I said at the beginning that is more like Jumpstart. So we should start working on it right from today because it's a very fixed period kind of a program. And the sooner we start, the better results we'll get. Because what double builder bonus has done previously is it has increased the retail. And now is the time to focus more on retail because there's a huge demand. There's a pent-up demand. There are people looking out for such products. So now we should go out and retail. So there is no time for, there is of course time for training, but I hope all of us have done that in last 2 months. Now is the time to execute what we have learned in last 2 months and go out and do the retailing. So this is one program which is more retail focused. It is giving instant gratification. But while we do retail, there is a need to build the business at the same time. Because हम ये business सिर्फ 2 महीने के लिए नहीं कर रहे, 6 महीने के लिए नहीं कर रहे हैं, 1 साल के लिए नहीं कर रहे हैं. We are doing this business for life. And this success will come only when we take advantage of such programs and build our business to next level. So do we have something for the next level? I'm happy to announce that for the first time, we are, I think, doing something of this sort. We are launching a 5-month program. Starts from June and is there in June, July, August, September, and October. It's a 5-month program, and we are calling it Fast Track Rank Change Incentive Program. So this is a program which will reward those people who are working for growth and who are targeting success. This is a program which I hope helps you build a solid structure so that you can grow in these months and multiply your business in coming months, because the business of immunity is here to stay. There was a time when people used to talk about multivitamin, then came supplements, but now future is all about immunity. And you are in an organization, you are a business owner who is an expert in immunity. Now I come to this program. This is very, very simple. All you have to do is this for diamonds and up. All you have to do is qualify at a new level. So if you are already a diamond, then you become a PD in next 5 months. If you are not a diamond, you become a diamond in next 5 months. Or if you were a diamond sometime back before January 2020 and you have not been able to maintain that level, this program is open for you as well. So suppose I qualified as a presidential diamond in December 2019. But after that, I have been maintaining diamond level, builder level, not able to qualify for presidential diamond. Now, if I come back, so we are calling it a comeback qualification. If I come back as a presidential diamond, I can participate in this program. So it is a very simple program. It is at 2 levels. 1, diamond, and level 2 is presidential diamond and up. For presidential diamond and up, what we are looking is, while you come back, while you achieve new, there is one more requirement, that your organization volume grows by a minimum of 10%. From your volume, which was which was there in June to October 2019. तो मैं इसको हिंदी में भी समझाता हूँ इस स्लाइड को। ये प्रोग्राम जो है ये बनाया गया है ताकि आप अपने बिजनेस को कंसोलिडेट कर सकें, इस बिजनेस को अपने अगले लेवल पे ले जा पाए। एंड दिस इज प्रीटी सिंपल कि आपको एक नए लेवल पे क्वालिफाई करना है, डायमंड एंड अबव, या आपको कम बैक करना है। सपोज आप 2020 जनवरी से पहले कभी डायमंड थे, बट उसके बाद आप एक बार भी क्वालिफाई नहीं किए, तो ये प्रोग्राम आपके लिए है। अगर आप क्वालिफाई करते हैं तो यू डेफिनेटली पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस प्रोग्राम। ये प्रोग्राम 2 लेवल्स पे है, एक डायमंड और एक प्रेसिडेंशियल डायमंड एंड अबव। प्रेसिडेंशियल डायमंड एंड अबव में एक एडिशनल रिक्वायरमेंट ये है कि आपको सेम पीरियड लास्ट ईयर, तो जून से अक्टूबर का जो आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वॉल्यूम था क्यूमुलेटिव, उससे कम से 10% ग्रो करना है। और जब ये प्रेजेंटेशन मैंने शुरू किया था तो मैंने लास्ट बोला कि हमने अप्रैल से मई में 25% ग्रो किया है। सो आई थिंक दैट ग्रोथ इज पॉसिबल एंड वेरी मच अचीवेबल। सो डायमंड के लिए दिस इज नॉट द क्राइटेरिया। So diamond is very simple. If you qualify, you get the reward. And I want to now talk about what is the reward. So I'll start with, say, diamond. So the first month you qualify as a diamond. It can be June, July, August, September, or October. You qualify any month. The first month you qualify, you get 5,000 rupees. So आप 5 महीनों में जब पहली बार कभी भी क्वालिफाई करेंगे, आपको 5,000 रुपीज अर्न करेंगे और वो आपको अगले महीने रिवॉर्ड ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा। यू क्वालिफाई फॉर 2 months, you get 5,000 plus 10,000 more, which is a total of 15,000. तो अगर आप दूसरे महीने क्वालिफाई करेंगे तो अगला 10,000 आपको नेक्स्ट मंथ ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा। सिमिलरली एवरी मंथ यू क्वालिफाई, you get 5,000 additional. Now, when I say this additional, this is over and above your commissions. This is over and above the double builder bonus program for June and July. So, अगर मैं आपकी जगह पे हूँ, if I am in your place, I'll start qualifying for diamond as soon as possible because then I can maximize my earnings. Now, coming to presidential diamond and above. So, presidential diamond, if you qualify in this 5 months. For 1 month, you get 35,000 rupees. If you qualify for 2 months, you get 55,000. If you qualify for all months, you get 85,000 rupees. And this is again over and above your double builder bonus commissions and regular commissions. I think this is a very simple program. हमें सिर्फ अपना अगला लेवल अचीव करना है या हमें अपने पुराने हाईएस्ट लेवल पर आना है। तो अगर मैं पहले आईडी था और क्वालिफाई नहीं किया हूं, then I have to touch ID. If I was a PD as highest qualification before Jan 2020, I have to reach that level. International diamond, if you qualify for 1 month, you get 90,000 rupees. But if you can qualify at international diamond level for all 5 months, you can earn up to 2,40,000 rupees. Over and above your regular commissions, which obviously will go up, and your double builder bonus. So if I am an ID और मुझे कभी भी level 3 bonus नहीं मिला है, I earn that additional 72,000. I maintain for next month, I earn that additional 36,000, and then I earn this 2,40,000 also. So look at the opportunity which you have. And we have a firm belief, हमारा बहुत विश्वास है, that if somebody can maintain this level or grow to the next level, they definitely can build a very strong business in times to come. It's a jump start for 5 months, but if you can make use of this jump start, you definitely can grow into a very, very strong leader in coming years and coming months. Now, 2 interesting levels. If anybody, irrespective of where he is today, achieves ID 100K. So ID 100,000 LPs in one single month, they get a lump sum amount of 3 lakh rupees. Right? So I hope you like these numbers when I say 2,40,000, 3 lakh rupees. And if you can get to ID 150K, you get 5 lakh rupees. And that is in addition to all the other incomes and all the other benefits that you get when you qualify at ID 100K and ID 150K. So this is something which we thought is one initiative which we can launch immediately from June 1, which can allow you to take benefit of double builder bonus, and then you simultaneously start building your business for the future by having a very strong structure. And now let me talk about some more terms and conditions. So we'll be sharing this with you. You can go back to your business managers, ask them the details, ask them how you can achieve this. And if you need any support, just share with them. As we are looking for growth. And हम वो सब काम करेंगे जो आपको ग्रो करने में मदद करेगा. दिक्कतें आएंगी कुछ, अभी चैलेंजेस हैं, सब कुछ चल रहा है, लेकिन विनर्स का मतलब है जो दिक्कत में से सक्सेस निकाल पाए. एंड हमारा बहुत भरोसा आपके ऊपर है, द वे यू आर बीइंग बिल्डिंग बिजनेस, दैट यू विल बी एबल टू पार्टिसिपेट एंड विन दीज रिवॉर्ड्स. So there are a few more conditions that I want to talk about. So diamond qualifiers, the amount will be calculated and given to you the very next month. So अगर आप जून में क्वालिफाई करेंगे, वो पैसा जुलाई में ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा. अगर आप जुलाई में क्वालिफाई करेंगे तो एडिशनल 10,000 अगस्त में आपको ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा. When it comes to presidential diamonds and above, हम वो कैलकुलेट करते रहेंगे. So we will keep on adding your money into your kitty, and it will be given once the program is over. So the amount will not be transferred in June or July or August, but it's more like a bank account. कि आपके बैंक अकाउंट में वो जमा हो रहा है. The moment October is over and you meet all the criteria, the amount will be transferred to you in the month of November. Because there is a qualification criteria for PDs and above. And that is that in a month where you are not able to qualify at your highest pin, you have to maintain minimum diamond rank with 4,003 level LPs. Right? So suppose June में मैं नया PD बना, जुलाई में मैं business builder बन गया, I will not qualify for this award. जून में अगर मैं PD बना, मुझे जुलाई में कम से कम क्वालिफाइड डायमंड बनना है with 4,000 LP. And we are doing this ताकि ये बिजनेस आपका सस्टेनेबल रहे. The business should not go like this. The business goes in the right path. Second criteria for PDs and above is a minimum growth of 10%. जैसा मैंने आपसे पहले कहा था. So आपको पता होगा, अगर आपको पता नहीं है तो आप डेफिनेटली हमसे पूछें, हम कॉल करके आपको बताएंगे कि आपका लास्ट ईयर टाइम में व्हाट वाज योर टोटल LPs in terms of organization value, so that you can target 10% more than that. Of course, you can target much more and you will get much more, but a minimum 10% has to be achieved in the same period. The next thing which is important, and please note that very carefully, is a maximum of 60% group volume can come from one leg. Because जब हम बिजनेस बनाते हैं और आगे बढ़ाते हैं तो हमें एक टीम को बनाना जरूरी होता है, that we have multiple legs. So एक लेग हमारा by default strong हो जाता है. So उस strong leg से आप maximum 60% volumes accumulate कर सकते हैं when it comes to calculating the growth. बाकी volume has to be accumulated from your other legs. So this is something which is important, and I'm sure this is only the announcement which I'm doing. Me and my team will be working closely with you to ensure that you understand everything out of it. तो आज मैं सिर्फ इसको अनाउंस कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन मैं अपनी टीम के साथ आपके साथ बहुत क्लोजली काम करूंगा ताकि आप अपनी बिजनेस के लिए क्या बेस्ट है, आपके अपने टीम के लिए क्या बेस्ट है, वो आप समझ सकें और इसको मैक्सिमाइज कर पाएं. Now there will be a situation when I started as a diamond, but I went on to become a presidential diamond in these 5 months. If that happens, I will be entitled for only one reward. So जिसमें भी ज्यादा पैसा आ रहा होगा, so मेरा डायमंड का भी कैलकुलेशन होगा और मेरा प्रेसिडेंशियल डायमंड का भी क्वालिफिकेशन होगा. So जहां पर मुझे ज्यादा इनकम हो रहा होगा, मुझे वो मिलेगा. So आपको ये रुकने की जरूरत नहीं है कि अगर मैं डायमंड से पीडी बन गया चौथे महीने में तो मेरा नुकसान हो जाएगा. बिकॉज अगर मैं आपको पिछली स्लाइड पे ले जाऊं तो डायमंड में अगर आप 5 महीने भी बने तो आप 30,000 अर्न करेंगे, लेकिन अगर आप पीडी 1 महीने भी बन गए तो आप 35,000 अर्न करेंगे. सो दिस डज नॉट स्टॉप यू फ्रॉम ग्रोइंग. So these some pointers we wanted to talk about in this presentation. You have seen that हम backend पे काम कर रहे हैं. We are working in the backend and we are trying to strengthen our organization. Whether it is office, whether it is something like a drop center, whether it is getting new people in the team, whether it is going digital, the importance of social media. So we are working on a lot of these things. We are working on products. I talked about Transfer Factor Plus. There is a wonderful product which we launched, and as we launched, the lockdown happened. And I don't know आप में से कितने लोग उसको explore कर पाए. But prebiotics in these times is one of the best products. One of the best products that you can offer to your customer. Because 70% of the viruses, the things which damage us are in our gut. And this is a pre and probiotic. It's a solid combination of pre and probiotic, which impacts that part of my body. It is an interesting format. ये stick pack में आता है, तो आप एक ही पैक से कई लोगों को शेयर कर सकते हैं. So try and explore prebiotics. It's a wonderful product in these times. Some of you who have used it, they are वो शपथ ले रहे हैं इस प्रोडक्ट के साथ that this product will do wonders. But I am sure जब आप जून प्लान करें, focus on this product, focus on Transfer Factor Plus, focus on BioEFA. So these are some products which will take your business to next level. So infrastructure is on, products are on. We have given you some programs जो आपका profitability को और आपका business को एकदम से बढ़ाने में मदद करेगा. It's not a long term program. ये मतलब 1 साल के बाद कुछ मिलेगा, 3 साल के बाद कुछ मिलेगा, ये ऐसा नहीं है. This is jump start. तो अगर हम इस बिजनेस को अगले इस महीने से लेके अगले 5 महीने तक नेक्स्ट लेवल पे ले जा पाए तो डेफिनेटली ये बिजनेस कहीं और होगा. Because as an organization, you have seen that we change our stance. Now we are talking of ourselves as the immune system company. So we are ready to play on the front foot. We know that the future of this business in India is very, very bright. We know that we are working with the best distributors and the best profile of leaders that this business can have. So if there is something which is working well and so well, I wish you all the best, and I hope that you are able to take advantage of each and every initiative that I talked about. And you not only add, but you multiply your business. The key thing will be how many people are able to join your team, how many of them are able to qualify a diamond as soon as possible, and then how many of them can take charge of their business so that you can work with other set of people and you make them equally powerful. And that is how the growth will happen. So we have had a wonderful comeback in May, and let us hit the roof in June. Thank you so much for joining us, and Shubh, over to you, and please add something if I have missed. Thank you so much, Shubh.
Thank you, Shishir. In fact, I must say that this has been wonderful promotions which has been announced, and I'm sure every one of us who are on this call will resonate this fact that this is something which everyone was looking forward to. Uh, to Just to summarize what you just said, and just to take it, make a small concise of all the promotions. So we heard about double builder bonus, and that's something very exciting, and everyone is looking forward to it. We heard about the first fast track rank change incentive. All this information that has been shared by Shishir, we will be sending you WhatsApp and using all other communication models to reach all this information to you in a format that you can share, in which you can make use of. And that's the most important thing. It's just about just receiving the information. It is about how we can send it more and more to each and every individuals. uh, we talked about the baseline OGV for the presidential diamonds and above. We will be sending out those baseline OGVs which you have done from June to October individually to you through a message that we can send out. We will also send out an email to you to inform you about your targets that you need to set for yourself. And I just can't wait till we get to hear the feedback from you and start working with you to take this to the next level. I think that is what we had from our side, and maybe we can connect back on a one-to-one basis and take these initiatives forward. And I really hope that we make the most of it. Thank you so much for joining us today. And I really wish you all the very best for these wonderful times to come. Thank you, and stay safe, stay healthy, and be in touch with everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone. Goodbye, and just rock the June.
Right. Bye-bye.